Hello, friends. How are you? Today we're going to learn about some amazing aquatic animals. These animals live in oceans, rivers, and lakes. Some are as big as giants, some are as small as toys, some are beautiful, and some are super unique. Who's ready? Let's start this exciting journey. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest sea creature in the world. It can weigh up to 200,000 kilograms, equal to 50 elephants, and reach a length of 30 meters. Even more amazing, a blue whale's heart is as big as a small car, and its heartbeat can be heard from afar. Despite its size, the blue whale is gentle and feeds only on tiny plankton. Dolphin. Dolphins are smart and playful sea creatures. They love jumping in the water and often help fishermen catch fish. They live in large groups called pods. Did you know? Dolphins can talk to each other using unique sounds like whistles and clicks. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are ancient creatures that have existed since the time of dinosaurs. They can live up to 100 years. At night, female turtles come ashore to lay eggs. Baby turtles hatch and immediately run to the sea, even though they've never seen water before. Amazing, right? Great white shark. The great white shark is a powerful and agile predator. Its teeth are as sharp as knives, and if one breaks, it grows back. Sharks can smell blood from 3 kilometers away. But don't worry, they usually attack only if they feel threatened. Octopus. The octopus is a super smart creature. It has 8 arms equipped with small suction cups. Octopuses are also masters of disguise. They can change their color and skin texture to look like rocks or sea plants. They can even open jars to get food. Seahorse. Seahorses look like tiny horses, but live in the sea. Interestingly, it's the male seahorses that carry the babies, not the females. Their curled tails help them hold onto sea plants, so they don't drift away with the current. Dugong. The dugong is a large, gentle, and shy marine mammal. It's also called a sea cow because it feeds on seagrass. Dugongs move slowly in the water, and their sound is similar to a whistle. Sadly, dugongs are endangered because their habitats are being destroyed. Stingray. Stingrays have flat, kite-shaped bodies and swim gracefully in the water. But watch out! They have a sting on their tails for protection, and it can be very painful. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are transparent sea creatures that look like ghosts. They don't have brains, hearts, or bones, but still swim elegantly. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. Starfish. Starfish are beautiful sea creatures. If one of their arms gets cut off, they can regrow it. Some starfish species even have 50 arms. They slowly move along the seabed using tiny tube-like feet. Seal. Seals are cute mammals that love swimming. They spend time in the sea hunting fish and rest on land when tired. Seals have thick fur to keep them warm in cold water. Lobster. Lobsters are known for their large claws, which they use to catch food. They can live a very long time, up to 50 years or more. Uniquely, lobsters shed their shells as they grow. Salmon. Salmon are excellent swimmers that travel long distances from the ocean to rivers to lay their eggs. Their bright-colored bodies make them easy to spot. Salmon is also rich in nutrients. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are small, round creatures covered in sharp spines. They move slowly along the seabed using these spines. Some sea urchin species can even glow in the dark. Sea snake. Sea snakes are among the most venomous snakes in the world. But don't worry, they rarely attack humans. Their paddle-shaped tails help them swim quickly through the water. Piranha. Piranhas are small fish with sharp teeth that live in the rivers of the Amazon. They're famous for their aggressive feeding, but they only attack when threatened or very hungry. Electric eel. Electric eels are extraordinary creatures that can generate electricity to defend themselves from predators. They also use this electricity to detect prey in dark waters. Crab. Crabs like to walk sideways on the beach. They use their claws to cut food and protect themselves. Some crabs can shed their shells like lobsters. Grouper. Groupers are large fish that live in coral reefs. They're known for their striking colors, and some species can even change colors to blend in with their surroundings. Sea lion. Sea lions are super smart and often trained to perform tricks in shows. They're also strong swimmers and can move very quickly in the water. Clownfish. Clownfish love living among poisonous sea anemones. The anemone's toxins don't affect them because their bodies are coated with protective mucus. Catfish. Catfish have long whiskers that look like antennas. These whiskers help them find food in murky water. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest shark, but don't worry, it's very gentle and only eats tiny plankton. Whale sharks like swimming slowly near the water's surface. Lionfish. Lionfish have brightly coloured bodies and wide fins that look like wings. However, the spines on their fins are very poisonous. Gurami. This large fish is often found in rivers or ponds. It's popular in Asia for its delicious meat. Clam. Clams live inside shells and can close them tightly to protect themselves from predators. Snapper. Snappers are tropical fish often used in cooking. They're one of the favourites for seafood dishes. Arowana. Arowanas are freshwater fish often considered lucky. They can even jump out of the water to catch insects. Manatee. Manatees are cousins of dugongs. They also eat seagrass and are very gentle creatures. Shrimp. Shrimp have curved tails and transparent bodies. They're a favourite ingredient in many dishes. Wow, friends, there are so many cool aquatic animals. Which one is your favourite? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.